Hello my YouTube friends. Today I continue my shopping for the holiday season and I'm visiting another favorite store of mine at home. And the store is ready for the holiday season. They have stuff for the Halloween, Thanksgiving, and even for Christmas. Look at this Halloween decoration, huge! Huge! Beautiful outdoor decor, 50% off. Full of Thanksgiving items. Beautiful mushroom, but I believe it's too much to pay $40 for one mushroom, but it's tall. It's probably 1.5 feet tall. Very cute. I always like pumpkins made with fabric, and those are velvet pumpkins. Animals, birds are always great for fall decorations. And this is a fox. They have 2 aisles with artificial flowers, and most of the stuff are so beautiful here. I really like those butterflies, and they're 50% off, so I'm going to buy them. Very cute trees, and they are lighted. I like this tree and I am going to buy it. Placemats. Silicone molds for fall holidays. Always useful. They also have on display an array of hand soaps for our bathrooms for the fall season. And I smiled when I saw this famous product, Potpourri. They have it in the fall smells. Pumpkin spice and apple bottom. On this shelf I found a collection of Halloween and Thanksgiving lights. I will buy these 2 sets of lights. Huge candles. I will keep visiting this store every 2-3 weeks because I wasn't able to find some things that I was looking for, but I hope in the future I will.